Hello everyone, and welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. So you may all be asking, where is the studio tour? Well, I haven't had a lot of time for that organizing I'm supposed to be doing. I think I'm about halfway there, but some other things have come up. So it's spring here on our hobby farm, and that means we're a bit busy because I'm planting my seeds and we have little baby chicks coming on Wednesday, and life is just a little extra busy. And let's face it, sometimes crafting is far more fun than cleaning and organizing. So I may have headed back to the craft table because, you know, Miniverse keeps coming up with things that are so cute. And these Make It Mini animals now in series 2 already. I gotta make a pet shop, y'all. I have to. So yeah, I've definitely been crafting. Anyway, back to the reason for today's video. So I just happened to be shopping in Target the other day, and I may have been a little distracted by every clearance rack on the end of the rows in the home department. I mean, none of you ever wander in Target, right? So I just happened to come across this mini taper candle holder set, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is so cute. And what doll doesn't need ceramic vases around their house that looked like Joanna Gaines designed them? Because of course, you know, I liked them and they were hearth in hand. So let's check these babies out. I did find mine on sale because somebody must have ordered them to the store and then decided to bring them back. So I got them for $6.99, but they are regularly $9.99. But I mean, I pay $7 to $9 for a surprise ball. So how bad a price is that? All right, we've got the nice little tall one here. And one of the chubby ones. This cute little guy that looks like something antique milky juggy like. I love the color of these. And then the really chubby one, which I also. Yeah, I was a fan when I saw them. Okay. Now, my favorite part. Let's add some plants. Now, the holes in these are not very deep and they're not very wide. So that kind of limits our choices on plants a little bit, but I think we can still have some fun here. One of the things that I found that is working really well is the Make It Mini plants that have the tiny little root ball like this, because they just pop right in just like a candle would. And then we've got a beautiful vase with a hanging plant in it, or it looks like a pot, you know. Also, these little guys work fantastic because of their little nub that they have, and you can just pop it right in. Then I went looking through my dollar store stash, and I found some fun little plants that I thought could make some cool little arrangements for the pots. And what I was looking for with this one is actually not the pink, the white fuzzy stuff here. So I'm just going to snip off a little bit and then add that into our taller one, and then take some more pieces and add to make a full arrangement. like so. Whoop, 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 whoop. Stay. There we go. And then the other plant I was going to try is this one that looks a little bit like lavender, but it's like this trailing plant that I found at the dollar store. And I'm just going to nab a small piece of this. And then I'm going to clip the leaves off of it. So that I just got like the purple stalk here. And then add that and cut some more. And you can have a full little lavender-like arrangement for your dollhouse. What do you guys think? Do you think it'd be Joanna Gaines approved? You guys are going to have to let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video. Sometimes I forget to share my fun little finds, and I'd love to know that you enjoyed it. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Poppy Seed Mini. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun crafting and collecting.